Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 5 for gym management system in Django, and in this video we will work on the website various parts. Okay, so I have updated this website template. You can see here this is the website template. Okay, and in the previous video we have worked on the banners and the services. Okay, and now let me show you that what I have changed in this template first, then we will discuss about what we are going to do in this video. So I have created the gallery page here. The gallery is according to, you can say, some group, or you can say some category, like competition category, Diwali celebration, routine images. So this kind of thing, when we click on this view all, then it will show all the images of that related category. Okay, and then I have created the pricing page. I have get this template from the getbootstrap.com. If you go to the getbootstrap.com, and when you go to the examples, and from here you can see, let me show you this pricing page. Okay, so I have just copied this page, and the yes, we know that, yes, that we knew that we need to change this content. I will change this content when we will make this dynamic. Okay, and I have created also inquiry page here. You can see that left side image and right side form. Okay, and in the my account I have just created the login page. Okay, so these are the things that I have updated in the template, and I will also update on the git, and I will provide the link in the description. And I have also created the privacy. This is just about us page. If you go to the read more, and you will see that FAQ page. This is the FAQ page. In this FAQ we have some question, and we have some answer. This is the bootstrap accordion style. So I have created this template. Only the thing, I have copied the pricing page, else other things are just I have coded this custom. I have created this. So now this is the update of the template that I have told you. Now what we are going to do in this video, so in this video we will work on pages. We will make the pages dynamic. Okay, we will create the model, and we will fetch the data in the template. We will make the FAQ dynamic. When user click on the FAQ, we will create the model and fetch the data here, and we will make the inquiry form dynamic. And because and we will also create a inquiry form via model. Okay, we will learn that how we can create the form according to the model. Okay, so we will mainly do these three primary tasks in this video, and in the next video we will do the other things. Okay, so let's start to do the first task, that is work on pages. So what we need to do, we will create a model. Okay, so let me first quiet the XAMPP server, because our template is running according to the server, because that I have created in a PHP, because I have include the header and footer for the common things. Okay, so now I'll close this tab, and yeah, we can start working on this. Uh, what we are going to do, first we are going to do pages. Okay, so I will open the app, and I'll go to the gym management system main and models. Okay, so here we will create the pages. Okay, pages model. So class pages, or you can say page models dot model, and the first thing will be page title. Okay, and the page title will be the text field, that will be 200 characters, and the detail field. Okay, just we need two things, and we will return the image. Maybe later we will make this detail field as a text editor field. Okay, so please add your comment that we should make this field as a text editor or not. Okay, please add your thoughts in the comment section. So now we have created this thing, and let's go to the command line, and here I will add manage.py make migrations. Okay, and then py manage.py migrate. Perfect. Py manage.py run server. Perfect. Okay, so we will open the admin panel. We will go to the admin panel, and here we are. Okay, we need to add this model to the admin also. So I will open the admin and I'll just copy one of the class, and here we will add page admin, and I will add page admin. Here we will add page, and we will just show the title, and this will be tuple, so I will add the comma at the last, and we are done. Okay, fine. So we will restart the server. Okay, refresh the page. So we have pages. So I will add about us, and here this is about us content. Okay, and save this, and let's one more thing, privacy. Okay, this is privacy content. Save, and let's add terms. This is terms page. Okay, so save this. Okay, so we have created the page. Now we need to fetch the pages and we need to show the detail. Okay, we need to create the page template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the templates, and I will copy this home and paste it here, and just I will change the page.html, and here we will simply remove this banner because we don't need this banner. Okay, and let's say page, you can say we don't need this thing after the pages. We just need the, here we will fetch the title, and in between we don't need the row because we don't want to add the column any. So we have the page.html file. Now what we need to do, okay, so I will open my template folder, and ps5 apps gym system, and here I have page.template. So I will just simply copy this main and paste it here. Okay, so all the things I have added, the classes and all the things will be there. Okay, so now we will open the views.py file, and here we will render the pages. So page, you can say page detail. Okay, so definition page detail request, and I will copy this and simply page.html, and we will pass the page. Okay, and we will get the page from here, and we will pass this via id. Okay, so page objects get id equal to, you can pass pk or you can pass id. Okay, so this is will be page, and this will be page, and we are done. Okay, so we need to pass this page detail on the link. So where is the link? We will open the home page, and we have this thing. Okay, so here we will create the url, we will create it, and here we will add page detail. Okay, and here we will pass the id, and the id will be, let's say we have id 1. Okay, so here we will pass 1. Okay, and we need to create the url, we need to pass the url also, we need to create the url. So here it will be about, or you can say simply page. No, we have to define the name, so we will say page. Okay, that's fine, we will say page, and here we will say page slash int, no, this is page detail slash int id int. Okay, so we have passed the page detail and int. This is fine. Okay, so we have passed this thing. We need to pass this view page detail here, view dot page detail. Fine, let's go to the home page and refresh the page. Here it is saying something, but what it is saying, uh page detail id use invalid id. It is saying that int, actually int will be the before the id, and we will refresh the page. Actually we will restart the server. Okay, so server is starting now. So it is saying that reverse page detail not found. Why it is not found? Here we have, and the name is the page detail should be. Okay, so refresh the page. Actually this name will be passed in the url. Okay, so remember one this thing, I will also remember this. Okay, and we have read more, and in the read more we are passing one here in the url. Okay, and when we click on this, it will redirect to the page detail. It will call the page detail view function, and it will load the page.html, and in the page.html we will add the content, and the content will be page.title. Okay, and the description will be, here we have a description that is a detail. So refresh the page and click on this. So we have about us, and we have, this is about us content. Similarly we will pass this for the base template. We will open the base template, and here we will pass privacy terms. We will not pass for FAQs, just we can say, yeah, we will create another thing. We will do something, do another logic for contact us and FAQ. Okay, so terms is 3 and privacy is 2. So terms is 3 and privacy is 2. Okay, refresh the page, privacy, terms. Okay, so we have created our pages, and we are fetching the data from the model, or you can say from the database. So we have completed our first task. Now it's time to go on the second task. So the second task is FAQ page. So the same thing, we will create the model. I will copy this, paste it here, and FAQ, and this will be FAQ, sorry, FAQ, and FAQ will be question, or you can say quest, or here it will be the answer. Okay, and both are the text field. I will say both are the text field. Okay, because question may be lengthy, so this is the question. Okay, I will show the question, and similarly we will add this in our admin. So this will be FAQ admin, FAQ admin. This will be here, and this will be FAQ. So this I will make it large. FAQ here, FAQ, and we need a quest, just simply one field. Okay, fine. And let's go to py manage.py make migrations and migrate and run server. Okay, so we will now, what we will do here, we will go to this admin and refresh the page. We have FAQ, so we will add some FAQ. Let's say what is, why we join Arnold gym. Okay, so why we join Arnold gym? Because you should join You should join Arnold gym because you will transform yourself, you can say, because you will transform yourself. Okay, this is just a text. You can add whatever you want. So we have a data. Now we need to fetch the data in the FAQ page. So what we need to do, I will first of all, we will create a FAQ. We have created this. Now we will create this FAQ view. So this will be FAQ and this will be FAQ list. Okay, we don't need the ID, we just need the FAQ objects, and this will be all. Okay, and we will say FAQ.html, and this will be FAQ. This will be this, and URL we will create. Here we are. So FAQ, and this will be thing. We are fine. Okay, so I will again open my template and I will copy this FAQ and paste in my template page. Okay, and just rename this .html. I know this is something boring stuff, but we need to do this because this is the way we can achieve all our project. So sometime we need to do sometime we need to do something that we don't want, but we need to do. Okay, that is our requirement. Okay, fine. So we have, I will refresh the page, and what it is saying, it is saying something that FAQ is not exist because FAQ, this will be FAQ list actually, FAQ list, yeah. And we will run the server again, and here we are. So now we will click on the FAQ, but this is currently, this is where it is home.html. No, not home.html. Actually, we need to add it here, and this will be FAQ. Refresh the page, go to the FAQ, and we have something that is saying error. So FAQ objects, and this will be extra. Refresh the page, and we have something that is not our requirement because we need to extend this template. We just copy paste the HTML file, refresh and save this, refresh this. Okay, so we need to fetch the question answer here. So I will just remove the, I will just remove one by one things here, and then, so this is the heading and this is the class, this is the body. So accordion item should be in the loop. So what we need to do, I will run the loop here for FAQ in FAQs. Actually we will pass the FAQs here. Okay, so here we are. Refresh, not refresh, here, and for, refresh, and let's say refresh this. So we have this, and we will pass here FAQ dot quest. Okay, and then here we will pass the data. What is the name of the field? Let's go to the answer. Okay, fine. Refresh this. So yeah, so we have a FAQ. If we add more, then it will show. Let's say heading, let's say answer. Okay, save and refresh this. So we have data, but here one thing is that not we need to do, that is where it is. Okay, we will do that later. Actually, I'm thinking about the styling. Okay, we will do. Okay, so it is opening the both. Actually we need to add something that should different. Okay, so what we need to do, I will make this id for loop dot counter. I will make this id unique. Okay, and this will be collapse 1 and this will be collapse 1. Actually we need this, we need this heading 1, heading 1, we need this here. Refresh the page. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so we have created a FAQ page, we have created our pages, and now the third task is we need to create the inquiry form. Okay, so now this is the very important step. First of all, we will create the model. Okay, so let's create the model first. That is a inquiry model, inquiry, and in the inquiry we are going to use the full name, what is the email of the sender, and what is the message, or you can say the detail he is sending, he want to send. Okay, and full name, email detail, and we will add one more field. Let's make it first maximum length, sorry, maximum length 150, and this will be char field 150. Okay, and one more field we will add, send, let's say send time. Okay, models dot date time field, and here we will add automatic true. It will add automatic current time. Okay, and we will show the by default full name. So full name, email details, send time. Okay, we need to copy the inquiry page now, but first we will add the inquiry in the admin. So here we will add inquiry, inquiry, and here we will add the inquiry, and this will be inquiry, and we will show full name, we will show email, we will show detail, and we will show send time in list. Okay, we will show all the things. Okay, let's this is the inquiry. Okay, let's migrate this. So make migration, migrate this, and runs, run server. Okay, now it's time to create the view. So let's create the view, inquiry, and here we are inquiry, and this will be inquiry.html, and we need to pass a form. Okay, so form. So first of all we need to create a form. So form will be we will create a form.py file. Okay, and from Django import forms. Okay, we will import the package, then we will create the class inquiry form, forms dot model form, and in this we will class create meta, and in the meta we will define, first of all we need to define the model. So before defining I will import the model. So from dot import models, and in this we will add models dot inquiry, and in this we need to define the fields, that which fields we want to show in the form, and this will be a tuple. So I will use full name, I will use email, I will use detail. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, so we will import this form in our view. Okay, so from dot import forms. Actually we have created the wrong name. It should be forms, not form, because we will not create only single form, but we will create the multiple forms. Okay, fine. So this is form. Now we will get this form dot inquiry form. Okay, so we have this, and let's copy this inquiry form. Where it is? Yeah, here, and we will paste it here, and we will rename this HTML thing, and we will open this, and here we will add the common things and block inquiry. Yes, we are done. Okay. This image will not find because this is the inquiry form image. We will make some let's put this statically. So we have image stat in the static folder. We don't have any image, so I will copy where it is. I will copy this image. Yes, this image inquiry. So static, let's say images. Oh, images pasting. Oh, two time pasting. Okay, no issues. So here we will do this static, and before using static we need to load static. Okay, load static, and here we are images slash. So what is the name of the image? That is inquiry dot jpg. Okay, and in this table format we will add the form. So I will remove the whole thing, add this thing, and just pass the form dot as table. So it will make the form as a table format. Okay, so we have created all the things. Now it's time to go to the inquiry form, and we need to put the link to the form. So where it is in the base HTML, and here we are inquiry form, and let's say inquiry. We have created the inquiry in URL. We have created this. No, we didn't create it. So we will create this inquiry. We are done. Refresh the page, and it is saying something that did you forget to register? Load this tag register. Where it is saying in the page, in the views, we have inquiry.html. So here it is, and form.as table, load static. So where it is saying this, did you forget to register this? Where it is saying load static, load things. Okay, so we have, okay, so we have in the base, actually we are doing wrong something. We need to pass the URL. We didn't add the URL. Okay, so we need to go inquiry, and here we are. Okay, so we have created successfully model form, okay, in a one shot. Okay, so when we save this data, how we can save this data? Okay, let's also perform that how we can save this data. So first we will we will show the form if request dot method, if request dot method equal to post, then what we will do, form equal to inquiry form, and in this we will pass the request post things. So we will, first of all, we will pass here the CSRF token, because without the CSRF token you can't submit the form. So method will be post, and action will be inquiry. Okay, okay, so now here we are inquiry, and if form dot is valid, form dot is valid, then what we will do, form dot save. Okay, and by default we have message equal to empty, and if form save, then we will add some data in the message. data has been data has been saved. Okay, and here we will pass the data. Okay, so form inquiry we are passing the request.post things, and if form is valid, then we will pass the data. So this will be a function. So, okay, so let's go to this form and refresh the page, and let's add some data. So this will be john at the rate gmail.com, and this is test message. Later we will send email. Okay, we will see that how we can send email. We will use live server to sending the email, like we will use live SMTP, or you can say. So submit this data. So inquiry form is not defined. Okay, so inquiry form is not defined. Where it is, actually we need to pass this. We are not directly getting the inquiry form. We need to pass this from the form reference. So John at the rate gmail.com, some message, save this data, and we are not showing this data. Actually we are not showing the message, but let's go to the admin and let's go to the inquiries, and here we have the data, and let's show the data also. If message, then we will, and if, then we will show the data, and we will show the data in text danger message. Okay, so refresh this page and continue this. So data has been saved. Actually we need to add this in success. Why I'm adding this in danger? Okay, let's say this and this and this. Let's say email submit. So data has been saved and we have data. Okay, so we have performed these three tasks, and mainly we have learned that how we can create the models migrations, and how we can pass the data to the template and show the data. And in this mainly we have learned that how we can create the model according to the form, and we have uh, almost completed our pages. We just need to work on the gallery and pricing, and then we can jump to the subscriber panel, and then our management system will be started. Okay, so we have you can say you can say 2 to 3 videos more for the front end website. Then we will jump to the admin section, and we will do all the management things that we need in mainly for this project. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe, like this channel, and uh, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.